Welcome to What to See in Texas, a journey through the vast and varied landscapes of the Lone Star State. Texas is a place where the spirit of the West meets modern innovation, where every city has a story, and the open road beckons with promises of adventure. From the Gulf Coast's sandy shores to the hill country's rolling landscapes and the desert's rugged beauty, join us as we explore the sights, sounds, and flavors that make Texas a state like no other. Our first stop is San Antonio, home to the Alamo, the historic site of the 1836 battle for Texan independence. Just a short walk away, the San Antonio Riverwalk winds through the city, offering a scenic path of shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions set along the peaceful river. In Austin, the state capital stands as a testament to Texas's rich political history and architectural beauty. As the live music capital of the world, Austin's vibrant cultural scene is on full display in its many bars, clubs, and venues, particularly along 6th Street and in the South by Southwest SXSW Festival. Houston, we have a problem. Too much to see and do. The Space Center Houston offers an out-of-this-world experience, showcasing the city's pivotal role in space exploration. Houston's museum district further cements the city's status as a cultural hub, with institutions like the Museum of Fine Arts and the Houston Museum of Natural Science. In Dallas, the Arts District boasts an impressive array of museums and performance halls, while Fort Worth's stockyards offer a glimpse into Texas's cowboy heritage, complete with rodeos, cattle drives, and honky-tonks. For those seeking adventure in the great outdoors, Big Bend National Park offers dramatic desert landscapes, rugged canyons, and star-filled night skies, making it a perfect destination for hikers, bird watchers, and stargazers alike. Texas's Gulf Coast features miles of beautiful beaches, from the family-friendly sands of Galveston Island to the pristine shores of Padre Island National Seashore, the longest undeveloped barrier island in the world. The Texas Hill Country is known for its rolling hills, spring wildflowers, and quaint towns. Explore the German heritage of Fredericksburg, sample local wines at hillside vineyards, and discover the crystal-clear waters of the Hamilton Pool Preserve. Venture into West Texas to experience the dramatic landscapes of the Palo Duro Canyon, the second-largest canyon in the United States. The region's stark beauty and open skies inspire a sense of freedom and adventure that's quintessentially Texan. Head to the southern tip of Texas to experience the Rio Grande Valley, a region rich in Mexican-American culture. Here, cities like McAllen and Brownsville offer a blend of Tex-Mex cuisine, traditional festivals, and historical sites, highlighting the deep cultural ties between Texas and Mexico. Journey through the piney woods of East Texas, where thick forests of pine trees cover the landscape. This area is home to the Texas State Railroad, where you can hop aboard a historic steam train for a scenic ride through the woods. The region's state parks, like Caddo Lake State Park with its cypress swamps, offer a stark contrast to the desert landscapes of West Texas. Explore the port of Corpus Christi, the fourth largest port in the United States and a gateway to maritime adventures. Here, visitors can learn about the state's naval history at the USS Lexington Museum on the Bay, a World War II aircraft carrier turned museum. Step back in time in the Gruen Historic District, nestled in the city of New Braunfels. This charming area, listed on the National Register of Historic Places, features well-preserved buildings, unique shops, and the oldest continually running dance hall in Texas, Gruen Hall, where live music fills the air nightly. Bandera, known as the cowboy capital of the world, embodies Texas's cowboy heritage. Visitors can experience life on a working ranch, learn to rope and ride, and enjoy authentic rodeos, making it the perfect destination for those looking to live out their cowboy dreams. Discover the art scene of Marfa, a small desert town that has become an unlikely hub for contemporary art. Famous for its minimalist installations like the Prada Marfa and the Chinati Foundation, Marfa attracts artists and art enthusiasts from around the globe. Experience the lively traditions of Fiesta San Antonio, an annual event that celebrates the city's rich cultural heritage with parades, food, music, and colorful attire. This week-long festival encapsulates the vibrant spirit of the city and its community. For water sports enthusiasts, South Padre Island offers some of the best surf in Texas. Beyond the waves, the island is a haven for fishing, kiteboarding, and dolphin watching, making it a perfect destination for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Experience one of Austin's most unique natural spectacles by watching the evening flight of over 1.5 million Mexican free-tailed bats from underneath the Congress Avenue Bridge. This incredible event draws spectators from all over and highlights the city's quirky charm. Our expanded journey through Texas reveals a state of incredible diversity, from its natural wonders and historical sites to its vibrant cities and cultural festivities. Texas invites you to discover its unique landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Thank you for joining us on What to See in Texas. Subscribe for more adventures into the heart of America's most iconic states. Until next time, embrace the spirit of exploration and find your adventure in the Lone Star State.